Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable freezing credit at TransUnion via app, complete guide step by step clearly.
Open the TransUnion app on your device. Log into your account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, select the option to create one.
Once logged in, navigate to the Credit Protections section.
Look for the Credit Freeze option within this section. Tap on Credit Freeze to begin the process.
Read through the information provided about credit freezing. Select the option to enable a credit freeze.
You may be prompted to verify your identity. Follow the instructions to complete the verification process. Enter the required personal information as requested. Review the terms and conditions, then agree to them. Once verified, you'll have the option to set a personal identification number, or PIN. Choose a secure PIN that you will remember. Confirm your PIN to ensure it's correctly entered.
Submit your request to enable the credit freeze. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your credit freeze is active. Take note of any details provided, such as your PIN for future reference.
You can always return to the app to check the status of your credit freeze. This completes the process of freezing your credit at TransUnion via the app.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.